Okay, so without looking at this question, without looking at this number pattern question, can you look here first? So for number pattern question, there are a few types. 有好几种. Okay, so let's talk about the most common one, the type 1. Okay, so for type 1 number pattern, so let me give you an example. So you start with 3, then you start with, okay, next is 5, then is 7. So what's the next number? Can you guess?
10.
Over here.
Yeah.
10. Why 10?
Because 3
Mm.
and 5.
So what's the logic here?
9.
9. Okay, so the answer is 9. So what's the logic here? 那个
7
逻
minus
辑
5.
So what's the logic? 那个逻辑是什么?
Plus 2.
Okay, so it's plus 2 throughout, right? So it's plus 2 throughout. 就是加2，全部都是加2 right? So if they ask you to find the, let's say the 11th number, 第11个. So over here, this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one. So how do you find the 11th number? So are you going to do like, oh, this is the 5th, so I'm going to plus 2, so I get 11. So I'm going to do like the 6. Are you going to do the 6, then 7, and then continue to get the 11? Are you going to do this?
Maybe.
Okay, so this is a not so smart way to do it. Okay, so if you're given 11th number, you can still use this manner to do it. But what if they give you like 110th? Then I think you're going to waste a lot of your time and you still don't get the answer, right? So I'm going to teach you a smart way to do this. A smart way to do this. Okay, so remember for type 1, so for type 1 number pattern, so the key characteristic 就最重要的那个特征啊，就是
Plus 2.
you have plus 2 throughout. So I call this, you have the common difference. So 你有一个同样的 difference， 这个叫 difference。 OK， 就是它们的相差是2加2。 So type 1 number pattern, you have a common difference, then you can use a formula. 有一个公式。 So the formula is the first number, you plus the difference, then you times n minus 1, and the n here is the figure number. Okay, so let's try to use the formula here to find the 11th number, right? So what's the first number in this number series? This is, by the way, this is called the number series. Okay, so the first number is 3, and the difference is plus 2, right? Can you see? Okay, it's plus 2, and the figure number, they want the 11th, right? So I'm going to just
Times 11.
yeah, put 11 inside, and then you have a minus 1. So all you need to do is, do you have a calculator? Do you bring your calculator? Please bring your calculator. So I need your calculator to give me the answer. So can you key this into your calculator? By the way, in between is times. I use the dot. Okay, by the way, this dot actually is in the middle 啊，在中间啊，不，这个叫 3.2， 这个叫 3.2， 这个就是3乘以2。What's the difference? 这个点是在下面的，这个是小数点来的，这个是在中间。Okay, so can you key this into the calculator? And your calculator should give you the answer.
有点看不清。
看不清是不够大吗？ Okay, let me just zoom in. 蓝色的，还是你有一个近视的？有近视吗？哦，有点近视。So are you going to wear a spec? 你有戴你的眼镜过来吗？没有。Okay, 没关系 I just zoom in for you. Can you see from that distance? Okay, so you key in. No, 你那个是 okay. What did I say? The dot here, I take it as a times, right? Why you put a
Times.
Yeah. How do you replace it? Yeah. So what's the answer?
23.
Oh, so the answer is 23 for the 11th number. Okay?
Yes.
Are you clear? So for the 11th number is 23. So if they want for the 110th number, So you just replace 11 with 110th, right? Can you help me out with this? Let me double check. I help you double check. Okay, yeah, so it's 221, yeah? Okay, so the 110th number is 221, yes. So are you clear? How to do number pattern? Okay? You use the formula. So this formula you have to memorize. 你要背下来. Okay? Are you clear? Again, yes? Can?
Can.
Good.